What's up, guys? Today we're gonna plant some BMG and using the bay bombs to destroy the mansion. The mansion. Huh? I mean, tear down. Thanks. Okay, well, let's go right into this. But first, we're gonna need for the mods to download, and as soon as the bay bombs download, we're gonna go. So let's wait for it. Oh, bay bombs already there. Okay. All right, let's go. And we can only use the bay bomb. There you go. Oh, let's go. Where the bay bomb at? Where the bay bomb at? Where the bay bomb at? Drop one there. Okay, that's one the building destroyed. I'm sorry, room, but I'm gonna need to show you. That's another room exploded. And just in case, hold up. Let me destroy this balcony real quick. So let me go up. Okay. Boom! What? Oh, nah. I'm putting like bunch of bay bombs. One right there, one right here, one in the elevator. No! I knew that was gonna happen. Oh. That's nice. Ouch. Ouch. Let's place one right there. Let's place a bunch in here. Bunch in here. Uh-oh. Oh, no. Oh, I just died. Bro, I can hear the fire, guys. You can hear it, too. Oh my gosh, bro. I wonder what the trucks look like, bro. Oh my god. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna drive my old rusty car. Does it look rusty? But I'm just gonna drive it right into the garage, which is. And I'm just gonna. Oh, let's rewind that real quick. Just pretend that never happened. All right, we're just gonna go over here and just gonna park. There we go. That's good parking, right? Totally. All right. Bay bomb. You sure? Oh my gosh! I just launched myself across the entire map, bro. That's crazy. Oh wow! I did. I literally touched the water. All right. Well, that's. Oh my gosh, bro. Well, that's another building absolutely dominated. Whee! Boom! Boom! Uh-oh. Run! Oh! Alright, let's place one right here. Back. Let's place one right there. Let's place one right in here next to the bed. Alright, let's place one here, 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 here. Mall. Are you actually kidding? Oh my gosh, I just fell. Oh my gosh, bro. These guys are just chilling like a little bird, so we're gonna go ahead and throw. we're gonna get rid of this one. It's our Lamborghini. We're gonna we're gonna get the Lamborghini out, and yeah, these cars are gonna have each baby bomb right inside of them. Never mind. But we're just gonna put one on top of it. Yeah, there we go. We're gonna put one right there. Perfecto. Just stay right there. Oh, we're just gonna put another one right there. Yeah, we just scoot over. Okay, don't want to. We'll just put another one right there. Oh, they're not getting there. Okay, we're just gonna go ahead and drive this. Oh no! Go! Alright, we're just gonna. Oh my gosh, we gotta drive, bro. This dude. Alright, let's go back to the shed so that we can Oh! Alright, well let's see right here. Now let's go ahead and use our hunting rifle to look over there. That is it. Bro. Oh! Oh! Yo! Oh my gosh, bro. Alright. Bay bomb, and bay bomb. Might as well jump on over here. 3, 2, 1. There he goes. And there it goes. But look at all the red stuff. I don't know what that is, but perfect. Perfect landing. Fine. Okay, let's go ahead and place one right here. Place one right here. Die. And boom. Oh my gosh, get out of there. Okay. I'm just gonna sit right here. No. Oh my gosh. I'm just gonna sit right there. Oh. Man, of course it's gone, bro. Oh! I'll just place one inside of there. Uh-oh. We're dead. We're dead. Okay, well, anyway, guys, that's going to be today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to subscribe. If you want to check out my guys out, it's in the link in the description down below. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'm out. Peace. What's that? I don't know. Comment down below. I'm out. Peace.